Hi, it's me again. What's happening? Maggie Champagne with Flavors of New York. I am here with James Chen, one of the owners of Kuku Chicken. James, tell us your story.
Yeah, hi. This is our actually 4 locations, and this location was opened 2 years ago with my partner. His name is Chris Pak. He's a master P of the Korean cuisines, and everything you see here was created by him. Okay. We have our first location opened 4.5 years ago in Long Island City, and we're slowly expanding it. We have 2 more locations that's in Long Island.
Expanding, that is awesome. Tell us about the menu.
All right. So the whole idea behind the idea of Kuku Korean, that we want to serve authentic Korean food, like the food that you usually eat at home. Those are the food that we want to present. We want to bring Korean into a neighborhood. Menu pretty much these are traditional Korean food that you will find at home and in Korea as well too.
And tell us about your cocktail program.
We have a lot of cocktail, that special cocktail that's for this neighborhood, and also we have a lot of whiskey, and also we have a lot of Korean drink as well too, the soju and the Korean beer as well too.
I got one of my favorite drinks, which is a Moscow Mule.
How do you like it?
Yes, I like it. James, you've got a lot of different Korean beers here. Tell us a little bit about what you have.
Well, you know what? These are very traditional Korean beer that they serve in Korea, and not many of them carry them. So we happen to find a supplier that who have these Korean beer. So besides the Korean beer, we have a lot of soju as well too.
James, we cannot wait to try the food.
It's coming right out.
All right, James, tell us about the seafood scallion pancake.
Well, the seafood scallop pancake represents one of the most traditional Korean dishes in Korea. So it have mixed all the seafood and better that we make them fresh, and with these hot pan that will keep them fresh and crispy.
Oh, I thought so. When it came out, it was really hot. It was like, you could tell it was very fresh. And I have to say, I've had scallion pancakes, many of them, and I love scallion pancakes, but I have never had a seafood scallion pancake. Here we go. James, I love it.
Thank you.
That is so fresh.
It's one of our best sellers.
It's very good.
So what we have here is the banchan that we make them fresh every single day, and we're proud of our kimchi. So our kimchi is one of the best kimchi that's out there, and we get a lot of compliment about the kimchi. So if you want to know if the Korean restaurant is good or not, try the kimchi first.
Okay.
And that will give you a good idea. Is it a good Korean restaurant or is it not?
That is great kimchi. I know I'm gonna like this restaurant because I like their kimchi. And you will too.
And then we have a bacon kimchi fried rice, and also we have the Bibimbap with Bulgogi on the sides. And also our chicken's coming because that has to be made fresh, gluten free. Everything has to be prepared separately.
See, I appreciate that you do that because a lot of friends go to places that are gluten free. They don't separate the utensils and the cooking. Might as well not be gluten free.
Yeah, so that's the reason why.
Go in and kind of mix it up like so. It's kind of been cooking as it's come out in this hot dish. Oh, you see all this stuff coming from underneath, the rice. And you do this so you can get the perfect bite. It's already looking really nice the way it's mixing all these different flavors. Oh, I could sit and eat this all day. You don't have to ask me twice. Delicious. Very nice flavor. And some people put the bulgogi in the mix too.
Yeah,
right?
it's like personal preference, and we just make that on the sides.
The flavors really complement each other, bacon and kimchi. I don't think I would ever thought to put those two things together.
No, it actually did work out perfect.
But it really worked out.
Yeah.
So I'm going in with a daikon radish. pickled is delicious. At the same time, the taste is so good. It's cleansing my palate. I'm getting ready to try the gluten-free chicken wings here. Cannot wait. We have two kinds. We have spicy and not spicy. See that dedicated that there. I'm gonna go in, I prefer, we say, are you like a flat or do you like the leg? I like the flats. The crunch, the flavor. I don't believe this is gluten-free. That's how good it is. Excellent job.
Thank you.
Excellent. Whew. Guys, we just finished up this delicious meal from Kuku Korean. We are here with James. Thank you so much. This was unbelievable. Every flavor, every palate, all the crunch that you could ask for out of a chicken wing. I have to say, I've never had a scallion seafood pancake. It was wonderful. I hope you guys come out here and visit this place. You might even find me here because I will be back. Thank you, James.
No, thank you.
Signing off, it's Maggie Champagne, and this is Flavors of New York.
Thank you. See you.